यहाँ पे नजर आया, I never get satisfied with anything in my life, anything really. Okay, देखो कभी कभी क्या होता है कि हम जिंदगी में बहुत बड़ी जनरलाइजेशंस करना शुरू कर देते हैं, एंड यू नो इट्स लाइक जिंदगी में एक एक्सपीरियंस हुआ और हमने उसको पूरा उसके ऊपर एक्सपैंड कर दिया, एंड देन वी से आई एम नॉट हैप्पी विद एनीथिंग इन माय लाइफ, एंड आई बेट that is actually not the case. If you're a mother, are you not happy to have your kids, by the way? And that will, you know, cancel the anything idea. Things which make me feel that I'll be complete with them after getting them, I don't even enjoy them for 2 hours. Maybe you are not getting or looking for the right things. Because अक्सर क्या होता है, गलती होती है शान से, हम ये जिंदगी में समझते हैं कि जब मुझे फलानी चीज, फलाना स्टेटस, फलानी चीज मिल जाएगी तो फिर I will be happy. Actually, that's a common technical error that people make in setting their lives, in setting their goals. You do not get happy as a result of getting those things. You see, the thing is this: if a person is not happy without having what the person wants, they will not be happy with the things that they want. Do you understand? Okay, so happiness, it comes from you. It comes from inside you. It's not something that comes from outside of you. It's not something that comes from things or people or experiences or events or situations. It's something that comes from inside. Okay, so you need to work on with inside your own self.